This coin sold for $4.5 million, but only 5 exist in the entire world. Imagine finding a small, old nickel in your pocket and discovering it's worth more than a mansion, a supercar collection, or even a private island. Today, we're diving into one of the rarest and most mysterious coins ever made, the legendary 1913 Liberty Head nickel. And trust me, the story behind this coin is even crazier than its price tag. Also, quick disclosure before we begin. The thumbnail used for this video is AI generated for creative purposes. The 1913 Liberty Head nickel is basically the holy grail of coin collecting. Only 5 are known to exist. Not 50, not 500, just 5. And the strangest part? This coin technically should never have existed at all. So how did these mystery nickels appear? Who made them? Why are collectors obsessed with them? And how can you tell if one is real or a fake worth only a few dollars? Stay till the end, because I'll also reveal 12 quick facts and 5 ways to spot fake versions of this million-dollar coin. Let's begin. Back in the late 1800s, the United States used a coin called the Liberty Head nickel. The design featured Lady Liberty on the front side and a large Roman numeral V on the back representing 5 cents. But in 1913, the U.S. Mint officially replaced the Liberty Head design with a buffalo nickel. That means Liberty Head nickels were not supposed to be minted in 1913. Yet somehow, 5 mysterious 1913 Liberty Head nickels appeared. No official mint records, no public announcement, nothing. For years, people believed these coins were secretly produced by a mint employee named Samuel Brown. And here's where things get suspicious. Samuel Brown later showed up at a coin convention advertising that he wanted to buy 1913 Liberty nickels. Then suddenly, he already had all 5. Coin collectors immediately became suspicious. Many experts believe Brown secretly struck the coins before the design change became official. Basically, these coins may have been secretly created behind closed doors over 100 years ago. And today, they're among the most valuable coins on Earth. Why it's worth millions? So why would someone spend millions on a tiny nickel? 3 reasons: rarity, mystery, and legendary status. Remember, only 5 exist. That automatically makes them insanely valuable. But the mystery surrounding their creation makes collectors even more obsessed. Every coin has its own name and history. Some were owned by kings. Some appeared on television. One was even featured in an episode of Hawaii Five-0. These nickels became celebrities in the coin world. One example sold for over $4.5 million at auction. Another sold for millions, even while showing signs of wear. Collectors don't just see metal. They see history, secrets, and one of the greatest minting mysteries ever. 12 quick facts. All right, here are 12 fast facts about the 1913 Liberty Head nickel. Fact number 1. Only 5 genuine examples are known worldwide. Fact number 2. They were never officially authorized by the U.S. Mint. Fact number 3. The design was replaced by the buffalo nickel in 1913. Fact number 4. The front side features Lady Liberty wearing a crown. Fact number 5. The reverse side shows a giant Roman numeral V. Fact number 6. One example was once owned by King Farouk of Egypt. Fact number 7. Another appeared on the TV show Hawaii Five-0. Fact number 8. The coins are divided into 2 groups: proof coins and circulation-style coins. Fact number 9. One specimen disappeared for decades before resurfacing. Fact number 10. Collectors nicknamed them the Holy Grail of nickels. Fact number 11. One sold for over $4.5 million. Fact number 12. Even damaged replicas fool thousands of people online every year. And honestly, that leads us perfectly into the next section. 5 ways to spot fakes. Because fake 1913 Liberty nickels are everywhere. Some are sold online for a few dollars. Others are passed off as rare discoveries. Here are 5 ways to identify fake versions. Fake spotting tip number 1. Check the date carefully. Most fake coins are altered from common 1903, 1908, or 1910 Liberty nickels. Scammers simply change the last digit into a 3. Look closely at the shape and spacing of the numbers. Real examples have very precise engraving. Tip number 2. Look at the surface quality. Authentic specimens were struck with incredible detail. Most fake versions look grainy, rough, or oddly shiny. Tip number 3. Watch out for magnetic coins. Real Liberty Head nickels are made mostly of copper and nickel. They should not stick strongly to magnets. Tip number 4. Check the weight. A genuine Liberty nickel weighs about 5 grams. Fake copies are often lighter or heavier. Tip number 5. Verify professional grading. Real examples are already known and documented by major grading companies. If someone claims they found a new sixth coin, chances are extremely low. Always get expensive coins authenticated professionally. The most famous specimens. Each of the 5 known nickels has its own nickname and personality. There's the Olsen specimen, famous for appearing on television. The Eliasberg specimen is considered one of the finest examples ever preserved. Then there's the Walton specimen, and this one has an unbelievable story. For decades, people believed it was lost forever after a car accident. Later, experts realized the fake coin stored in a family collection was actually the real million-dollar nickel all along. Imagine owning a fortune for years without realizing it. That discovery shocked the coin world. The 1913 Liberty Head nickel proves something incredible. Sometimes the smallest objects carry the biggest stories. A coin worth 5 cents became worth millions. A coin never supposed to exist became world famous. And over 100 years later, collectors are still searching for answers. So next time you check your spare change, pay attention, because history might be hiding in plain sight. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more rare coin stories, hidden treasures, and unbelievable history. And comment if you want part 2.